My Jesus, as the night draws near, I long to rest in the calm of your presence. I lay down every worry, every burden, and every fear, knowing that in you alone, my heart can truly find peace. The day may have been heavy, and my mind may have wandered into restless thoughts, but tonight I come to you, trusting that your presence is greater than my anxieties, stronger than my struggles, and deeper than my doubts. I surrender the noise of this day and open my heart to the silence of your love. When everything around me feels unsettled, I choose to anchor my spirit in the unshakable truth that you are here. I may not always understand the path I am walking, but I know the one who walks beside me. In your presence, there is fullness of joy. In your presence, there is rest. In your presence, there is peace that the world cannot give. As I breathe in this stillness, I remember how many times you have carried me when I could not carry myself. I remember the nights I thought I would not make it through, yet your grace sustained me. I remember the battles that felt impossible, yet you fought them for me. And tonight, as I reflect on your faithfulness, my heart is filled with gratitude. You have never left me, and you never will. When my thoughts wander into fear, I bring them back to your promises. When my heart feels heavy, I lift it up to the one who restores my soul. When my body feels weak, I lean into the strength of the one who never grows weary. I do not need to have all the answers, because I know the one who holds tomorrow, and that is enough. Peace does not come from having everything figured out. Peace comes from knowing you. And tonight, I want to rest in that peace. I want to rest in the assurance that no matter what storms may rise, no matter what challenges may come, I am safe in your hands. My hope is not built on what I see, but on who you are. My faith is not rooted in my circumstances, but in your unchanging love. The world may be loud with confusion, but your whisper brings clarity. The world may be heavy with burdens, but your presence brings rest. The world may be restless, but in you, I find stillness. So tonight, I let go. I let go of trying to control what is beyond me. I let go of the weight I was never meant to carry. I let go of fear, of doubt, of every anxious thought. And in exchange, I receive your peace. Your peace is not fragile. It does not depend on circumstances. It does not fade when storms rise. It stands strong like an anchor in the waves. And that is what I cling to tonight. Not the fleeting comfort of the world, but the eternal peace of your spirit. I ask you to quiet my heart, calm my mind, and steady my soul. Help me rest deeply tonight, not just in sleep, but in trust. Let my dreams be filled with hope instead of worry, with faith instead of fear. As I lay down, let me remember that you never sleep, and that even while I rest, you are watching over me. Tonight, I also bring before you the ones I love. I pray for their safety, their peace, their rest. Surround them with your presence. Remind them they are not alone. Let them know that even in the darkest night, your light still shines. May they feel your nearness as they close their eyes, and may they wake with renewed strength for tomorrow. I also pray for those who are hurting tonight, for the ones lying awake in fear, in pain, in grief. Wrap them in your comfort. Remind them that they are not forgotten. Remind them that even in the valley they are not abandoned. Use me too to be a vessel of encouragement, to share peace with those who need it most. As I prepare to close this day, I ask you to teach me to rest, not just at night, but in every moment. Teach me to rest in your will, even when I don't understand it. Teach me to rest in your promises, even when I don't see them yet. Teach me to rest in your love, even when life feels uncertain. And so tonight, I give you all of me. My worries, my hopes, my plans, my questions, my future. I place them in your hands because I know your hands are strong enough to carry them, wise enough to guide them, and gentle enough to hold them with care. As I close my eyes tonight, may my last thought be gratitude, and my first thought tomorrow be praise. For you are my peace, and in you I find rest. Amen.